How to download and install Rapido Captain app in Android. So if you want to download and install Rapido Captain app in Android, then first you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. So in your Android, you need to open up your Play Store, make sure to have a stable internet connection. Go for the search and search for Rapido Captain. Once you've searched, here you will have the Rapido Captain, and if you have the internet connection, then you just need to tap on install to install the application. Tap on install, and it might take some time to install the application according to your Wi-Fi or your data network. So just wait for a few minutes, and after some time your application will be installed, and you can simply open the application, create your account or log into your account and use the application. So that's how you can download or install the Rapido Captain application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.